What if beavers disappeared? No dams, no lodges, no gnawed trees along riverbanks. Without beavers, streams would flow faster and deeper. No more natural water slowdowns. Floods in spring, droughts in summer. Beaver dams create wetlands, home to frogs, fish, birds, even moose. Without them, biodiversity would plummet. Fewer habitats, fewer species. Beavers also filter water. No more dams means muddier rivers and less clean water downstream. Forests might grow taller and but drier, too. Beaver ponds store water and prevent wildfires. Entire landscapes would shift. So, without the world's most natural engineers, would rivers still dance? Would ecosystems hold together? Or quietly unravel,